Hello and welcome to another update video about Ethereum. The Ethereum chart continues to be in a overall sideways range here. This range started recently, after we had this strong sell-off, this rapid sell-off on the 3rd of February. The market, or the Ethereum chart rather, recovered like many other cryptocurrencies as well, but it's only a three-wave move up. And since then, we've seen only sideways consolidation, basically between, there was a pullback into the Fibonacci support area, which is defined between the 38.2 and the 78.6 retracement. So between $2,590 and $2,270. And from there, we've now seen a bounce. But then from that low that formed on the 9th of February, the price has just been moving sideways. Yep, slightly upward sloping, but not really any substantial breakout or any significant progress to the upside. So it is a very choppy upside structure that doesn't really inspire much confidence, and it rather looks like a B wave in the white scenario. Orange is absolutely not high probability. But until we break below the red line there, the Sunday low that formed at around 2,525, everything here is just noise anyway. So all I'm highlighting here is the potential for the price to dip a little lower into the support area. In the white scenario, it just shows us a roadmap for a decline, probably that would reach the area between $2,400 to $2,270 in white wave C of 2. So this could still be a 1-2 setup even in the white count if we break below the red line. Actually, it would look best, I have to say, because then the price would have a chance to form an impulsive third wave. That would be typical, this initial rally, then A wave down, B wave up, and then C wave to get people scared, maybe even with a slight break below support, which wouldn't be a problem. This is not an invalidation point. The invalidation point is the 3rd of February low, but could always be this is a wave 1, A, B, C, and in the C wave we just, scare a lot of people. But for now it's holding, but all I'm saying is the potential is there, and when everybody gets then bearish around the 78.6 Fib level, then it might turn around. And the thing is, markets often do that. A wave 2 often inspires fear, and this is when the market typically bottoms out. I'm just, observing that there is no real upside momentum yet. So what we're dealing with here is really strongly corrective in nature. So we'll see if that nevertheless leads to a rally. But for now, it's just a range. And what do we need to see for an upside breakout signal? Well, the levels haven't changed. So there is still some structural resistance here at the dotted green line, where that dotted green line is positioned. That hasn't changed in the last few days. And that level is at around 2,857. Above that, a critical breakout point is at 2,927. This is a breakout level that should send us out of this range, really, and this is the most important one. Because even if we break above that dotted line, it's not really a break above the wave 1 high from the 3rd of February, so that level needs to be broken. And in the short term, we have also a Fibonacci resistance area, which I added to the chart today. It is located between $2,700 and $2,795. And all I'm saying is, if this is a 1-2 setup to the downside in the white count, in wave C, then the price should react to this. But I see it as a very weak resistance area. I don't see it as very strong or really reliable. But if we see over the weekend maybe a reaction here, then it could indicate that the third wave down is starting. But I don't expect any major movements on the weekend, not like it's moving at the moment. It's just going to be a continuation probably of sideways action over the weekend. But tomorrow, towards the end of the weekly candle, we might see a bit more action. But overall at the moment, orange to the upside would be a diagonal pattern. But it's a very strange diagonal, and there are multiple interpretations here. So you'll find a lot of different interpretations of this. It's not trustworthy until we get a 5-wave move up, and this is not yet 5 waves. Okay, so I keep you updated. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also, make sure that you follow us on our main channel, MCO Global. The link is in the description. I'll also link it here somewhere on the screen. It is our main channel, as I said. Soon I will also make a long-term Ethereum video, which will be here. I did that for Bitcoin as well. A lot of you asked for an Ethereum video as well, looking at on-chain indicators, things like that, and its performance compared to Bitcoin. But yeah, also this channel involves stock analysis, other things, interviews will happen here, and so on. So check it out. Have a great weekend. Bye-bye.